So I am officially moving out of my apartment in Bellingham. It's been 2 years since I've been living here and I'm super excited to have a new chapter. Honestly, it's a little bit bittersweet. This is a really special apartment to me, and I will get further and like deep dive more about this apartment and like kind of do a little diary recap. But the moving vlogs are back. I'm here today to kind of just start packing up everything. I got a little bit of a head start with my clothes. As you can see, I have like some of these clothes right here in these bags. If you know that these bags come in clutch. Literally from my last moving vlog, I had a bunch of these bags. They're like, I don't know what you call it in English, but like in Cantonese, the translation is like red blue bag, and it's basically like these really big recycled bags that you can put a bunch of stuff in, and like every Asian grandparent I see on the streets of Hong Kong at least like have this everywhere. And so I'm packing my clothes up in these. Honestly, I'm still filming a couple of TikToks in advance so that I can post while I'm still moving in and giving you guys some content. So I'm not gonna pack all of my clothes, but I will be packing a good amount of them. Like I have like a rack right here that I'm gonna be definitely packing up. And I also need to head to Home Depot today to get some boxes. I'm probably gonna be packing up my kitchen dinerware and everything as well, just because like at this point, I'm probably gonna just eat out. One, to have an excuse to eat out, and then two, just to have like some dinerware and everything packed up. My lease ends end of August, which is next week, and yeah, I will be getting the keys to my new apartment tomorrow, and I'm moving in with Adrian, which is super exciting. I think about like how long our relationship has been, and again, I'll probably like do a bigger deep dive into this later on the night when I'm feeling a little bit more vulnerable. But I will be getting the keys to the apartment tomorrow, and I will definitely be doing a empty apartment tour. And I also plan doing a fully furnished apartment tour of this place, just because I kind of want some memories on like the layout of this place and everything. It's just not clean right now, so once I get like some things sorted out, then I will definitely do that. First things first, I'm gonna be throwing some things into the recycled bags. Just to like gauge the situation on what my apartment currently looks like, I have these giant bags, again, all filled with clothes. I'm doing the dishes right now, and I have like a bunch of hangers just everywhere. Oh, and Adrian got me flowers like last night. He also got me these flowers, but they are very much dead. Yeah, and my like pantry closet, disgusting. Let's not even like go through that. Again, like all this is a mess. These two things are like piles of like clothes and other things I might give away. Just a random box of like boxes. Definitely have a lot of work to do. Accomplished. Also, this might be a little bit TMI, but I actually left some like Korean takeout food in here overnight, and my car smells not really the best. Okay, so I just got 2 large and 3 medium boxes and a bunch of bubble wrap, and I think I'm gonna start packing my hangers first. I just basically kept on going until I ran out of bubble wrap, so I will definitely need more, which honestly I was not expecting. But yes, so I have this all packed up, and this drawer is completely gone. Dang, it's starting to really hit me now that things are coming to an end in this chapter of my life, and I don't know, I'm starting to get a little bit sad. But my actual move out date is not for like another week or so, but I'm just getting things a little bit situated, and like the keys to my new apartment will be presented to me tomorrow. We order a U-Haul, so that's gonna be like later on, and then we're gonna get all the actual like furniture out. But I'm just getting a little bit of a head start just because I'm really excited to see the new place, and I'll probably just say it because you guys are gonna see in the next video pretty soon, but I'm actually having a walk-in closet in my new place, so that's why I want to pack all my clothes first and my hangers to just like, that's gonna be the first thing we're moving into, obviously. I, you know, still have a little bit more space left in my car, so that's where the dishes come in. It's currently about 8 o'clock and I will be getting the keys tomorrow at 7 a.m. I think I'm gonna be just packing up what I have for now and driving down, since my car is also a little bit on the smaller side. I can only probably take like the dishware, the hangers, and my clothes. Honestly, like my car is not that small. It's just the fact that like my clothes take up so much space. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start loading up my car right now. Just finished doing all the bags I packed up. I like broke a sweat. I don't know if you can tell. And I also like hurt my back just now. Well, actually, it's not true. I went to the Blackpink concert like last week and I hurt it there, but I just hurt it even worse, I think. I'm so winded. There's actually still some extra space up in like the passenger seat. I'm debating on whether or not to like get some more stuff in there or just pack my things and just go. I need a shower first. I also need to stretch out my back. My back really hurts. I'm gonna take an Advil, but I wanted to show you guys what I found at the supermarket yesterday. So this is some lemon chow, or like lemon tea, and I usually like this brand a lot. I used to get it all the time when I was like a kid growing up, and they have these like everywhere, any supermarket, I think. However, I was in the T&T supermarket last night with Adrian in Richmond, Vancouver, and they were selling like this sparkling version that I've just never seen before. They sell it in a 6-pack, and I actually had a can this morning, and it's okay. Like, it's aight. I would repurchase it if I saw it in the market, but I wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase it again. Is it bad to down a pill with sparkling water? We'll find out soon. I'm thinking I still have one more of those like recycled bags that I'll probably fill up with more clothes and then put that in the passenger seat, get my backpack and my laptop and like my general other clothes for tomorrow to wear. Honestly, it might be a little gross. I might just rewear this outfit. It's just so much comfier. I forgot to mention too, I did all of like that in my jeans and like my t-shirt earlier. I don't know why I did that. Dumbest move ever. Was not thinking that through, but now I know. It's changed into more athleisure clothes. Currently 11:33 and I still need to get some dinner, so I think tonight we might just do the good old McD's. Well, I made the decision to not pack this other bag despite me finishing up packing it because my back is starting to hurt really badly. I think the Advil's kicking in though, so I'm just gonna leave this bag, do that maybe tomorrow night when I come back up here to bring up the next load. But I have, oh my god, wait, I'm starting to like move out so much stuff that my room is starting to echo again. That's crazy. That makes me so sad. I just packed my clothes for tomorrow because I will be coming back tomorrow night to continue this saga of packing. I think I will be going down to Seattle right now. Good morning. It is currently 6:30 a.m. and I am on the way to pick up Adrian so then we can drive down together to our apartment in Seattle, pick up the keys and do like a little self walkthrough just so that we don't get screwed over for our security deposit in the future. I got like no sleep last night. One, because I was so excited. Two, because my back was like still hurting. I'm gonna drive and I will see you when I see you.
Can I get the keys first?
Yeah. I am. Adrian wanted to sleep in, but I said no because I have work. But luckily we both work remotely, which I will definitely vlog more about in the future. Cookie, so cute! for the best part. Moving into that baby right there. I think last time I also had an injury with my arm, so I couldn't lift too much, and I think it's just like ironic because now I have an injury with my back and I can't lift too much. Who knows the next time I move. That is enough work for now. Adrian and I both start work pretty soon, so we're gonna head probably to a local cafe to just get some coffee, maybe some breakfast, and work a little bit. Adrian's moving in like his big furniture. Oh, this guy's going through it right now. Adrian's probably gonna be moving in his big furniture today, and I'm just gonna be moving in my clothes into the walk-in closet. Hello, we have a quick intermission because I need to take my family dog Josie to the vet. I'm gonna be taking her to the vet, and she's also like the sweetest dog at the vet. Like the vet loves Josie. Josie doesn't really like the vet, but the vet loves Josie. Josie also does not like kids nor other dogs. She's like okay with other dogs sometimes. I don't know, she's like kind of picky with it though. Some kids that like threw rocks at her, so now she's just like petrified of any like small human being. Sorry, Josie. She's probably like, bitch, you took me here. I took you to the vet. I'm sorry. So I just got back from Josie's vet appointment. Actually, no, it's been like a couple hours since, but I'm back at the apartment and I'm gonna tackle all of these bags. Oh shit, I just ripped one. I'm gonna tackle all these bags, and while I do that, I'm gonna have Jessica, one of my besties, on the line. Oh my gosh, and Winston, is he making biscuits?
He is.
He's so cute. Off the phone with Jessica. I'm gonna take a quick break, but so far things are coming along. I think I might do a closet tour or maybe like a fully furnished tour when it's done, but right now I have like all of my jackets here. I'm really excited for fall and winter, honestly, just because like I'm really done with the heat and like the hot weather. I'm thinking about putting my sweaters up at the top here, and I have a couple of bags that I think would look great like on this little shelf area, and then over here I have my summer dresses, and then over here I'm thinking about putting like my dressy tops and then my bottoms here. I will say that our room, this is the only light source in the room, and the rest it's all like dark, so we'll probably need to add like a lamp or something of the sort here. Last time I think you guys saw me, I was at the new apartment with Adrian, and he set up his desk, which is really cool to see, like things are coming together for him. He also said that he plans on finishing like up everything he moved into before I move in my stuff, which is perfect. And right now I'm back at my apartment in Bellingham. It's quite messy right now because I'm still in the process of moving everything, and also I have a bunch of outfits laid out because I want to do some pre-filming. I will say one thing I'm going to miss a lot about my place here in Bellingham is the lighting. Like, look how insane that is. It's cloudy outside, and yet like it's super bright in here. I think I'll have to buy some like lighting and whatnot for my new apartment down there, because the ceilings are still high, and like I have south facing windows, which is supposed to be like the most optimal window facing for lighting and everything, but it's just not like bright. These windows though are southwest facing, more west facing than south. I don't know, like I love how bright it is. It's like bright like this 24/7. And like one downside of the west facing windows is that like my apartment gets so hot during the summer because it's just like soaking up all this heat. A little bit of a handful, but the lighting, again, amazing. I love sunlight which is ironic because I live in Seattle, so it's not really the best place for bright weather. Yeah, rant is over. My apartment is a huge mess, and I will be packing probably the clothes once I'm done pre-filming. I think I'm also gonna pack up my bathroom stuff and maybe like some of my stationery things, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm just about to do my makeup, and I forgot to show you guys. Look at how cute this is. I just got this makeup pouch from eBay, and I've been in such like a Miffy hype recently, and I think it's because I just see her all over TikTok and like she's adorable. I even got like my nails done to look like Miffy and everything, and I don't know, I think it's adorable, but I just want to show you guys. Quick update, I made my apartment so messy, but it looks messy, but there's a system to it. So over there I have all like my decor in that box. I have my shoe drawer or shoe rack thing. These are some of my shoes. I actually still have like my everyday shoes over there. I really need to downsize. I'm very well aware I need to downsize. This is like for Poshmark orders I think I'm gonna be sending out or posting online after I wash them. More clothes. That's just trash. I don't know if it's just me, but like I always save a bunch of paper bags and like plastic bags for like trash and recycling, and I don't know, I just feel like having a bunch of bags is useful. Over here is all of my bathroom stuff. So I have like a scale, my shampoo, mirror, all that fun stuff, and I have some of my kitchen appliances. So I have like my rice cooker, a salad spinner, and like cutting boards and whatnot, and it gets a little bit more messy. Also, don't do this. Don't put stuff on your stove. This is just temporary though. I have all like my medicine and like some emergency stuff like Zyrtec and Advil. This is old, let's ignore that. I do have a toaster, but I think my parents are giving me their toaster, which is a lot nicer. And so I think I might just give this away. I have my knife sets right here. I actually don't know where the scissors went though, so I need to find that. And then I sorted out all of my condiments that are not expired or things that like don't have duplicates and whatnot. So I have this. I'm probably gonna bring that to the new apartment tonight. And so far I'm like clearing out this pantryway. Yeah, and I also have like a bunch of booze and like sweeteners and whatnot over there that I'll need to put in a separate box. Quick update. Sorry I've been like all over the place right now. I just got really like in the zone when it came to like packing things and boxing some stuff up. So I ended up like boxing up all of my kitchen appliances, pots and pans, my decor, some extra clothes, and now I load them all into the car. So I'm about to go down to the new apartment again, and I'm also going to take this shoe rack with me. And yeah, Adrian is at the new apartment right now. He's just chilling, I think like probably assembling pieces too. So sadly I didn't get any footage of that, but I mean, you guys kind of get the gist of it, and we'll get to see how far he's gone.